Usually on our day off, one of the things that we do is take care of the bikes. The big thing is air pressure in the tires and lubing up the chain. So I try this as well. So what I want to do is get all the gunk off the chain. Get as much of that off as I can before putting new lube on the chain. So you can see it's kind of dirty there. That's to be. I also like to clean the jockey wheels off too, as best I can. They really get gummed up. Then after getting the chain wiped down, get the gunk off, what you want to do is find the master link as a reference point, and then just put one drop of oil on each roller. So I just gotta look for the master link. It looks different than the other links, so here it is right here. And I just put one drop on each one of the rollers. It's kind of tedious, but it just beats. You just want the oil to get down in the roller. What happens, they talk about chain stretch. The chain doesn't actually stretch. What happens is the pins that go through the chain links start to wear, and when they start to wear, it just makes the chain longer. So there, it's all lubed up. Now what you want to do is just simply, rotate the chain. It's causing everything to flex in the chain when it goes through the back derailleur there, and just works the oil down between the roller and the pin. So the other thing we do is check the air pressure. The gauge of my pump doesn't work real well. John's got a separate one. I really like it. I'll have to get me one later, but since he's got one, we're riding together, there's no reason for me to go out and get one. Now, tire pressures vary from bike to bike. Mine's rated for 80 psi max. I usually run 75, and mine are down to 55, so slugging down the road gets a little bit more difficult because the tires run on flat tires. So I try to check it definitely during bike maintenance days, but even sometimes during a trip, I'll double check depending upon how much time I got. So just to get the tires aired back up. The volume of the pump is not real high, so it takes a lot of effort to get the tires aired up. 65 pounds. Almost there. Okay, there we go. So we finished our logistics planning and the bike maintenance. One of the things that I wanted to kind of cover in the last part of today's video is Pueblo is kind of the official halfway point on the Trans-America route. For all intents and purposes, this is the halfway point. So I did some number crunching on what we've accomplished up to this point. So officially at the official halfway point, we rode 2,086 miles, did almost 78,000 feet of climbing, and spent just over 203 hours on the bicycle to get to this point. So we've seen the Appalachians in the east, the plains of the Midwest, and now we're going to go north up along the edge of the Rockies and into the Rockies towards Missoula, Montana.